Iran has launched a new domestically made transport aircraft called Samorg. The launch event occurred at the Hessa aircraft manufacturing facility in Isfahan, central Iran, on the 19th of May 2022. The ceremony was attended by Iran's Minister of Defense, General Mohammad Reza Ashtiani, and Vice President for Science and Technology Saurina Satari, and President of the Civil Aviation Organization Ali Abazadeh. During the launch ceremony, Ashtiani said this tactical transport aircraft could be used for civilian and military purposes. According to information broadcast by Press TV, Samorg is equipped with two TV-3-117 turboprop engines, each with a 6-blade propeller. The aircraft can fly and land on a short runway, with a ferry flight range of 3,700 kilometers or 900 kilometers and carrying a maximum cargo load of 6 tons. In appearance, Samorg resembles the Iran 140 aircraft, a 40-50 passenger plane made under license by Hessa based on the Antonov An-140 made in Ukraine. On the 9th of November 2010, in the opening speech of the Kish Aerospace Exhibition, Iran's Minister of Transport announced that the production of 14 units of the Iran 140 had been completed. The first 6 aircraft entered commercial service on the 19th of February 2011. The main difference between Samorg and the Iran 140 is that this new aircraft is equipped with a rear ramp door like the CN-235.